法国总统马克宏昨去英国伦敦进行3天的访问是脱欧了后头一以最高规格返访问英国的欧洲国家领袖。马克宏伫国会演说指出，讲法国甲英国应该避免对美国甲中国太过依赖。
法国总统马克宏甲继欧布里基车被驶去，坐飞行机去伦敦，展开为期3日的国事访问。马克宏指出，英法应该避免对美中两国太过倚靠，对美中拢有必要去风险。
If the United Kingdom and France do not work together in order to build solid value chain, in order to reduce our dependencies on these critical areas I mentioned, if we still depend on both China and the US, I think we have a clear view of our future and the future of our children. On one side, overcapacities and over-subsidies are clear threats of a fair trade. And they are destabilizing a lot of value chain and creating new dependencies. On the other side, the trade war is clearly an explicit decision not to be compliant anymore with WTO.
马克宏这次出访也会加强经贸甲文化连接，宣布法国电力集团会持有英国新的塞斯维尔斯核电厂12.5%的股份，甲明年会将法国国宝培育挂毯，也就是描写征服者威廉出征英格兰历史事件的21世纪作品，祝贺大英瀑布观点出。公司新闻回本编译。